Hello everyone, this is Ms. Cordero, your school librarian. Today we're learning about the Big Six research process. This is the process you will use and follow when you begin to do your research for your class project. This research process follows many standards across the board. The TEAC 6.12 states that students engage in both short-term and sustained recursive inquiry processes for a variety of purposes. Common Core standards, literacy W.6.7 indicates that students will conduct short research projects to answer a question, drawing on several sources, and refocusing the inquiry when appropriate. The ISTE standard for research is standard 1.3 knowledge constructor. Students will critically curate a variety of resources using digital tools to construct knowledge, produce creative artifacts, and make meaningful learning experiences for themselves and others. They'll do that through research strategies, evaluating the accuracy, validity of all sources, and curating information and building knowledge. And the AASL standards for research are 4.B3, which is to curate. That's the standard to curate. And in this standard, the learners gather information appropriate to the task by systematically questioning and assessing the validity and accuracy of information. So the Big Six follows all of these standards, fall into these standards that will help you with your research. So what is the Big Six? The Big Six is a step-by-step problem-solving model. It will help you find information, solve problems, and make the research process a bit easier. It will help you figure out what information you need, where to find it, how to use it, and how to evaluate it. There is a pre-assessment. Pre-assessment is to see how much you already know about the Big Six research process. It's not a grade. You can take it just to see if maybe you already know some of these steps in the research process. You might already be familiar with some, or maybe all. You can take this pre-assessment again after the lesson to see how much you have learned. It's only 5 questions, and it's in the form of a Google form. So, just to recap, the Big Six is a step-by-step research process that we're going to use so you can start your research. It follows research standards all across the board, and it's going to make the research process easier for you so you don't feel like it's overwhelming.